So, let's create this font changing effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, grab a text plus clip from the effects library. Let me type here any random text and increase the size a little bit. So, bring the playhead at the very first frame and add a keyframe on the font. Now move the playhead 2 frames forward and change the font. The next keyframe will be added automatically when you change the font. Do the same process 10 to 12 times. Just move the playhead 2 frames forward by using the right arrow key. And you can use the scroll wheel of your mouse to change the font. Your effect will look like this. You can drop this text clip in your Power Bin, which will allow you to reuse this clip in another projects. Make it sure to rename the clip. Now suppose you are working in another project. You can find this clip in your Power Bin and reuse it. But you can see it's playing at faster speed. This is because we are reusing it in a 60 frames per second timeline. And we had animated this effect in 24 frames per second timeline. That's why it is creating the problem. But don't worry, I am creating a preset for this effect, which will make it easy. Coming back to the topic. We can also add some sound effect to make it more engaging. So, let's search for click sound in the sound library. Let's grab the first one. Because our font changes after every 2 frames, we will use this click sound for 2 seconds. Let's trim it from both sided and keep this little click sound of 2 seconds. Now we can copy and paste it multiple times. You can hold Alt key and drag the clip to make a duplicate copy of the clip. Finally, your animation will look like this. See you next time with my new preset for this effect. Until then, keep practicing this.